Good morning. Welcome to ECTRA TV's Futures Nifty Live Analysis. Every day we do live analysis, Futures Nifty Live Analysis at 11 a.m. in ECTRA TV Tamil channel and at 11:15 a.m. in ECTRA TV English channel. Let us also look into today's opportunity as well. We will review what we discussed yesterday. Yesterday I was just pointing out about the doji formation on the Nifty, and I was just explaining the high of the doji and low of the doji can act as a resistance and support. If it is breaking any of these levels, there could be a drastic move. Now you could see it broke on the downside and came down. Now what is the status of it? We will see in detail. Meanwhile, yesterday we marked a few levels. The 11,925 the support, it was just take the support but struggling to go up, so I said it's a weak support. Now anytime it can break, and if it's broken it can go towards 11,864, and if it comes below to this level you can be a buyer at 11,864. That's what we discussed. It came down first action, second action from here 864 it went up, so it gave a very nice opportunity for us to go long at this area. So you can look at this fall which has happened below to this level as we were discussing. Also it nicely bounced back from that level. Okay, so these are the two things which I found yesterday's thing. Let us also see how it happened. This is yesterday's review which I was just talking to you. This is the yesterday's review which I was talking to you. Yes, you could see here it broke at the bottom, 11,064 second support. It broke and went down sharply. Okay, let us go to the chart and see now what is the today's opportunity. I'll take you to the chart. Nifty. So Nifty daily, when you looked into, as I was explaining you, after this doji's low was broken and it was a good amount of fall at the lower side. After that, now the close support is now 11,650 in the big picture, and 11,830 is the next level. Let us see how this can be used. I'm just going to the intraday levels to look into. We found very important levels at 11,822. There could be a sharp fall. This is the area where you could see a nice selling pressure has been built. And subsequently you could see here now currently the immediate level is at 11,755 levels. So currently this is a fight between bulls and bears happening in this area. Who is going to succeed? You'll have to watch, because when it comes down here from 53, this 24-25 level, again there is a support. Okay, so this, if you go short here, better to book profit, but at the same time it moves up. Here we got a good selling pressure at 11,790. Yes, there is a good amount of selling pressure. This could lead to a bigger fall. So this is a better area to go short, and as well as another better area is 11,822 to 853 area is a good area to go short. So there are a lot of area where we could see a selling pressure being built. So in this scenario, so how to go about it is a question now. For a long time, you can see here there is a fight between the bulls and the bears, and you can also see the attempt of bull here is very strong. So bulls are attempting to take off from here. It is nicely now fighting. The next area is this. Instead of going short here, you can better go short at 11,805 area. So this is the important area to act on. And lower side we could see that 11,689 and 11,663 area looking good. So this area could be a good buying area. So the first selling area, second selling area, third selling, we have seen three selling area, and this area is a big fight area, but here you could see a lot of selling pressure. So the better choice is selling at 11,780 and 11,882. Okay, this is the opportunity for Nifty. So let me quickly go to the other areas. I'm just going to other sectors to deal with. First we'll start with the banking sector. So banking sector, we could see there is no gap up, but it is now on a sideway movement. struggling to go up. The next is auto. So automobile sector, which is really was doing well for the day. It opened the gap, closed the gap, and now rebounding. And still every fall there could be a buying opportunity. So that way you could see a lot of buying opportunity coming in automobile stocks. Then we are going to FMCG sector. So FMCG also another sector which was showing a lot of strength in general. You could see it opened with the gap, closed the gap, and again it is rebounding. Any drastic fall could give a buying opportunity. Then we could see the healthcare. Healthcare is one of the strongest sector in general. So healthcare really opened with the gap, closed the gap, and further came down also, but it is bouncing back very, very strongly. So this is a strong momentum stock for the day, a sector for the day. So finally we also look into IT. We have two more sectors to deal with, and first is IT. So IT sector actually results have come. ICL Tech today came out with the good results. So initially there was a big selling pressure. The selling pressure is absorbed at this bottom, and afterwards you could see that it is rebounding so nicely. So this is another way of looking at the market. So you will have to be very careful to look at this. Okay. So now the final sector is metal. So the metal sector, which is generally is a black horse. Okay, so it will give a lot of surprise. And after a big fall here, you could see yesterday there was a crash. Then it opened with the gap, came down, closed the gap, and again bouncing. So this is how it is trading today. You could see very nicely, closing the gap. This is a very good example. It nicely closed. Okay, so these are the sectoral analysis, which you will have to follow it for your further trades. We have technical analysis training program tomorrow, and next week we have futures and options in English language. We have a Telegram channel where you can follow with this link. Of course, you like this video. You hope that, and you can also subscribe. If you have not, then leave the comments below this video. You can also follow us in the other social media like Twitter, Instagram, Facebook under ECTRA Fin Academy. Thank you.